they're so noisy. They are so noisy. The police, my neighbors are causing disturbance. Sino ang mga to? Jo, kausapin mo naman ako, Jo. Nagbumukha naman akong tanga dito eh. Jo, nagbumukha naman akong tanga dito eh. Jo, ano ayaw mo na? Pagod ka na? Jo! Jo! Pagod ka na? Ayaw mo na? Ano? Pagod ka na? Ayaw mo na? Akin na to! Jo! Jo, ayaw mo na ba? Pagod ka na? Jo! Ayaw mo na? Oh! Pagod na pagod na pagod na pagod na ako. Pagod na ako maglinis ng mga kalat mo. Pagod na ako mag-aral. Pagod na ako magtrabaho. Pagod na ako isipin kung paano mo nagagawang panoorin ako habang nagkakakanta ko ba para may pambayad ng sa bullshit na tubig at kuryente na yan. Pagod na ako isipin.
Seems to be the problem, ma'am.
Eh ma'am, buti nandito ka na po. Nag-aaway po yung kapitbahay ko eh. Sa mga kamag-anak ko po yung isa.
Good evening po. Philippine National Police. We have received a report about a loud disturbance here in your apartment. Pwede po ba natin ito pag-usapan ng mahinahon?
This is a private matter, hindi namin kailangan ng pulis.
Hindi na to normal. Palagi na lang kami ganito, ma'am.
Papasok na po ako, ma'am.
Ma'am, this always happen. That woman is pitiful. Someone should lock her up.
Thank you, ma'am, for your concern, but I would like to request for you to stop recording so we can have the space to properly resolve this conflict.
Why? It's my right to record. What if you're abusing them?
I understand your concerns, ma'am, but as a representing officer, I am here to be responsible for the safety of everyone. I am also here not to harass anyone, but to provide assistance. Ma'am, pwede bang lumapit muna kayo dito sa akin? Kakausapin ko lang po kayo. So, ma'am, let's first take a deep breath. Okay, so does your partner hurt you in some way? Physical harm, anything?
No, ma'am. But it's becoming too much.
Thank you, ma'am, for being honest with me. So, okay, I'm going to talk to your partner now. Ma'am, I understand that sometimes you are both having a problem, an argument. However, when voices get raised and neighbors starts complaining, it is our duty to respond. Ma'am, do you have anything to say about this argument? Like physical harm or anything?
Hindi ko po siya sinaktan. Meron lang po talaga kaming kaunting hindi pagkakaintindihan.
Well then, if that's the case, I can help bring the tension down. But, kailangan natin that we are all calm, okay? So, I think we should both talk to your partner and ma-resolution na natin ito, okay? So, ma'am, kapag-usapan na po natin ang ma-solution na natin kung ano bang problema ng dalawa. This is what we will do. The shouting will stop for tonight. And then, if there are unresolved issues, you may seek counseling or barangay mediation. Okay? And then, lastly, if this happens again and physical harm occurs, mag-proceed na tayo on legal actions. Okay?
Hindi na po ulit ito mangyayari, ma'am.
A relationship is not measured by how loud the shouting is, but the ability to listen to one another. As a police officer, I am not here to judge, but to provide assistance, to provide peace and order. Thank you for your cooperation, ma'am. You may now go to your place now. for your both of your cooperation dahil mas-resolbahan natin to ngayon. Sana naman wala na maulit na argument at magsisigawan dito, okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you po.